she understands that. So it makes you wonder what other words she understands.
Pearl, just climb up it, don't kiss it. You'll regret this when you're 18 and it's still on YouTube.
Hey, it's going to be great. This place we're going to the second week has got a play car. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! So Pearl's going to love that, isn't she?
You concentrate on what you're doing.
Yes, put it to the top.
That was very clever, Pearly.